cool hairstyles you need to try. The first hairstyle is a different way to do your braid, and it's much more elevated. All you need to do is part your hair to the side to create some volume, and then do a French braid. The next hairstyle is a messy bun. This works best for second day hair and hair with curls since it holds better. You tie your hair like a ponytail and then fold. Again, it's a messy bun, so it doesn't have to be perfect, and you just need to pin any hair sticking out. Now for the third hairstyle, grab the front section of your hair, tie with an elastic towards the end, and twist. Once you reach the end, insert the rest of your hair in the loop. Super cute, and it covers the elastic. Last but not least is one of the easiest hairstyles of them all. All you have to do is part your hair to the side and tie with a scrunchie. And there you have it. Let me know what other hairstyles you want to see.
5 minute hairstyles that are actually easy in vagina because I'm a lazy college student and I have no hand coordination. Starting off, it's time to bring back the Anna Oops scrunchies because I said so. But literally just tie your hair in the back with a scrunchie and then split your hair into 2 and braid each section. Then tie it off with an elastic and ka-chow, girl. Like, you don't need a man as an accessory, you just needed a scrunchie. 2. Spiky half up, half down claw clip look. Literally just tie a half up hairstyle and on the last loop, make a little bun and split it into 2 with your fingers so it looks like a little bow. And then I take the hair on the bottom and I bring it up, but yes, I left out a chunk, okay, bye. And just claw clip that together. Like, is my life a mess right now? Yes, but my hair is not. 3. Whatever this is, it's so easy, okay? You just twist like a strand of hair and then put a mini claw clip at the top point of where you twisted it. Girl, I'm so sorry, I'm not Brad Mondo, bro. I'm so bad at explaining things, but yeah, it was so easy. You know you do it while you brush your teeth in the morning. And yes, I know my forehead looks big, and yeah, 4 side ponytail. So easy, you just grab all your hair the same way Tatum grabs mine when we play fight, duh. Again, you guys are so perversion. But you just tie it and then I put a little clip on the side for a little more kawaii oni-chan vibe, yeah. Okay, this last look is a vagina-fied side braid. I like swoop some hair over to one side and then I braid it, but when you braid it, make sure that middle strand is always pointed outwards. This adds the volump and foundation look, okay, like how someone mentions me on. And again, swap out that regular hair tie for a scrunchie and swap out your mid bumpy ass man. Anyways, I'll keep your tripods in time.
Recreating this cute hairstyle from Xiaohongshu. Divide your hair into 2 parts and use a hair clip to fix one side in place. Pick a section of hair from each side and tie it up behind your ear. Make a hole and pull hair through. Do the same with hair from the lower part.